So good day everyone. So for today is we're going to solve the example of keys or mechanical shaft keys. So in the problem number 1, we have given is P equals 100 kilowatts, then our M is 800 RPM. Our shearing stress is 640 kilogram per centimeter square. Then our compressive stress is 896 kilogram per centimeter squared. Then our width is 5.46 centimeter. Then our height is 3.45 centimeter. So to solve this, we have the A. We have P equals P over 2 pi N. Then substitute the given value. We have 100 over 2 pi times 800 over 60 is equals to 1.90 kilometer. So in B, we have F is equals to 2T over D is, then substitute the given value, we have 2 times 1.90 kilometer over 0.5 meter, then cancel out the meter, then get the 4.76 kilonewton. Then last is C is equals, length is equals to F over shearing stress times width. Then substitute the given value. So since we have F is 4.76 kilonewton, then our shearing stress is 640 kilograms centimeter squared, that times 101.325 over 1.033, then times 5.46 centimeter. Then we get now 1.389 centimeter. Then the last problem we have given is you have the diameter 4.5 inches, then height is 7/19 inches, then width is 13/9 inches, then our length is 5.5 inches, then our N is 80 RPM, then our shearing stress key is 35 psi, then our compressive stress key is 77 psi, then our compressive stress hub is 61 psi, then our compressive shaft stress is 83 psi. So in the solution, we have in A, we have P equals compressive stress times D times length times width over 2. Then substitute the given value. So we have 35,000, 4.5 times 5.5 times 13/9 over 2. Then we have the 625 pound inches. Then in B, we have T is equals to compressive stress D times length times height. Our compressive stress is here 77 KSI. This is shearing stress, not compressive. Sorry. So we have 77,000 times 4.5 times 5.5 times 7/19 divided by squared to get the 529.61 pound inches. Then last is P in C. We have P is equals to shearing stress in key is then times pi times D cubed over 16. Then substitute the given value. We have 35,000 pi times 4.5 cubed divided by 16. Then we get the 232.32 pound inches. So that's all.